Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to turn on quiet mode on Instagram. It's very easy. So the first step today guys is to open your Instagram app and then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings and privacy. Now you have to click on the notifications option right here, and then you find the quiet mode option. Tap on that, and once you turn that on, your quiet mode will be turned on, but you still have to choose from what time to what time would you like your quiet mode to be turned on, right? So as you can see right here, you can click on this time right there to select from what time you want. So if you tap on that just like that, you can choose the time. For example, you want quiet mode to be set from 1 a.m. To you tap the other one below and select to, for example, 10 a.m. right? So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys.